Sinking versus squatting in Tai Chi. So, having been someone who's exercised and done Kung Fu, of course, throughout my life and seeing others do it, there's an idea of like squatting or doing squats. And it's a completely different idea to squat in Tai Chi. It's really like sinking. And the difference is this. If I was going to squat, it's something actively I'm doing, like with my legs and my body, whether it be with weights or just as an exercise. And in Tai Chi, it's more of a letting go and relaxing into your stance or into your feet. So let me try to demonstrate it and see if you can observe it for yourself. So looking at, let's just do it with the feet separated like it would be a squat, but I'm gonna like prepare myself to do a Tai Chi exercise. So if I bend my knees, I wanna do it and feel a relaxing down into it. So it's almost like only the muscles needed to keep me standing are being used. So I'm relaxing consciously in my feet, in my ankles, in my calves, around my knees. And the more I do that, the actual muscles that are holding me up will feel more and more tense. And that's the sinking or dropping feeling. When I continue to do this with my upper body, I don't need all the muscles in my back to hold me up, so I start eliminating them by relaxing and just consciously letting go. It's like a non-signal. I mean, relaxation is that. I don't think relax. I just less thought into it, like a letting go feeling. See how hard it is to explain? And then when I do my Tai Chi movements, I don't have this squatting feeling where my legs are tense, but more of a relaxing, almost like I'm gonna fall over, but I'm balancing in a way that I need less and less of my individual separate muscles through my body, and only the muscles connected through to hold me up for my balance and my movement in Tai Chi are being used. Tell me what you think. Write something in the comments. Does that make sense to you? Sinking versus squatting. Try it.